name is Alice Vitonya of Key to Success International. Because of this coronavirus pandemic, we want to fight it all together. Now, I've decided to make masks for poor people. We have so many people here in our country that are really suffering because of this pandemic. They cannot afford to get even 50 shillings to buy a mask for themselves, even for their children. Now I've decided to make masks just from my hands. I'll do it myself with a needle, and I have a thread here. I have some materials for making the masks. And now I have the target of making 100 masks per week. I know it will be better if we can fight it together. Now this is the first stage. I just cut the material and I have it already here. What I'm going to do is only to fix some bladders inside here so that it can be complete. I have one already here with me, which is already complete, and it's just easy to put it in, and it can save your life. So, brothers and sisters, I'm welcoming you all to join me in this fight against coronavirus. We can do it together to save all of us, because I'm doing it. I love Kenya. I love the people of Kenya. I don't want anyone to die because he or she is lacking a mask, which I can also produce through my hands. I do it and I donate. It's just donation. I'm not doing it for sale. I want to donate for everyone who is really in need of it. So join me in this fight against this virus. We are just based here in Kitengela. I'm in my office. We are doing this fight against coronavirus together. Join me to do this work together so that we can save our lives here. And I have a number. If you want to contact me, we can do it together. My number is 0721 731 896. Welcome. I love you all.